Alright, I'm going to be installing a Hitch receiver on a 2022 whatchamacallit, Ford Escape. You saw the brand of the Hitch I purchased, the Hitch receiver and the Hitch itself. That one's from Walmart, the insert there, starter kit. So those are the bolts and the washers that come with the Hitch, and the pull wire. Those are mandatory. They're at least definitely needed. There's a step-up bit I used and some WD-40 and a drill. It's definitely going to be needed, and I'll show you why here shortly. About, I think it's an inch and what is that, inch and an eighth, right? Maybe a little bit more. Okay, so under the car and on the frame, there's two holes on each side. You can see I already have two holes already drilled out, and I threaded in or pushed in the bolts with the washers. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Basically, the holes are too small. So here's the last one here, and I just pushed the step bit in there and just opened it up just enough for that the bolt head to fit. And once the bolt head fits in there, then the washer fits in there just fine. So you get it just big enough. You push that washer through push the bolt through without the washer. And then you kind of push it out of the way. This is why you have that pull cord on it. Then you run the pull cord through it, and then you kind of feed that through. Push that through. And then you'll pull the bolt back out the hole using the pull cord, and it'll come right through the washer. And that washer kind of keeps the bolt from coming out. And you'll see here as I pull, just like a charm, it goes right through the washer and out the hole you just drilled. Look at that. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. Okay, I think I got all four done just like that. It's now time to bolt up the hitch. So I'm using a jack stand to kind of prop up one side. If you have two guys, it makes things a lot easier too. So here it comes from washers and some bolts. I end up using the gold ones. I'll put the link in the description too of the hitch that I got. So as you can see, I put the pull cords already through the holes. It makes it a lot easier. And two jack stands would be nice. Kind of help prop it up if you have it, or whatever you can find to help prop things up. So yeah, you pretty much get it through, and you start screwing on the bolts. Use whatever you got to use to prop it up. But like I said, the jack stands works like a charm, as you can see there, especially when it's only one guy. And yeah, you just kind of pull very carefully, not pushing the bolts back in. Yeah, just bolt that thing on there. Okay, so now it's time to snug it with the impact wrench. I got a 13/16 or 21 millimeter socket. Okay, here's my little impact wrench, and I'm going to be just simply snugging these bolts nice and evenly. This is real easy to install. The hardest part is getting the holes drilled in, but once the holes are drilled in, it's pretty straightforward. As you can see, it's kind of deep back there too. Very nicely positioned. And it's like, yeah, see, it doesn't even protrude out at all. And that is that. It's up. This is a Ford Escape. This is the SE model. I'll put the link in the description for the receiver and the hitch. And let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, let me know what you guys did. But next video is to do the wiring for the hitch for the trailer. But yeah, thanks for watching.